How to log in into another device with your account on Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Mobile Legends. Now once you are done, simply tap on search. Now tap on Mobile Legends and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now once you are done, simply tap on play. Now wait for some time for the game to load. Now on this page, tap on switch account. Now tap on the account you want to log in, Moonton account or Google account or Facebook account. Simply tap on any of them. Now tap on allow. Now select your account. Now once you log in, simply tap on OK. Now tap on OK. Now wait for some time. Now click on OK and restart the game. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.